Hi folks, welcome back to my Fisher Tech channel as always. So today different video on my mobile because for just an unboxing I don't want to turn on the beast. Yeah, I cannot corner my finger, but it's fine. So what we got here today, we got this package from SDR Express Courier, as you can see for me. We're gonna proceed to the unboxing, shall we? We got our good friend unboxing knife, which makes everything nice and easy. So let's see what we got here. We got a receive. Good. And we got a package in the package, which is always nice. So let's see what we got in this tiny package. In this tiny package, we got this, which, as you can see, if the camera want to put it in focus, it's Mechanic UV light solder mask, yellow, golden, I should say, golden, as the works with which I will do it. And I bought two of them so that I can sell one if I want, because I've seen that no seller have this kind of solder paste in stock here around, and nothing. I'm pretty happy. I needed those. Those will be the game changer for the Fisher Tech repair shop. I mean, actually right now I have a board. This board, which is a MacBook board. Model of the board is 820-00163A, which is a hell of a board, which is water damaged. It suffered some sort of short on PP-Bus G3 Hot, and to fix this I need the solder mask. So on the channel right now there's no videos about this fix, because I will upload it when I will be at a good point. I'm almost at a good point, because I have to say it's already maybe a month that I have this board here. First I thought it was after the water damage, I thought that the faulty part was the trackpad, because if I connected trackpad, the MacBook goes in boot loop, but without the trackpad connected, the MacBook boots just fine, only without the trackpad capabilities. So after purchasing another trackpad and connector, I mean the flat ribbon, and trying to fix it, I didn't have any success result. I mean, even with the new trackpad, the MacBook goes in boot loop. So because of that, I understand that the issue is on the board itself. The repair is getting pretty long, especially because I'm keep on finding components, blown components on the board itself. For example, this component, which is not supposed to look like this, I mean exploded. So what I choose that I will do, this customer of mine needs the PC up and running as soon as possible, so I choose to buy. I used the logic board fully working for the price of almost 600 euros. So I'll give my customer this brand new board, I mean not damaged in any way. So I'll fit this brand new board into the MacBook of the customer, and then I'll buy from AliExpress a donor board to try to fix this. So in order, I will give to the customer the PC up and running, I hope so, as soon as possible, buying this board, and then I'll take my time for trying to fix this board, which as today I'm not sure that I'm able to fix it, but I trust in me, I trust my abilities, I know that I can do nice if I really apply myself, so I rely on me. I mean, I give it this board for half of the price to the customer, hoping that I will repair this damaged board and sell it forgetting the money that all this job costed me and will cost in future. So this was a quick video. As you seen, I brought some order in my office. I started to stick the used components, the broken components up on the wall there on my back, so that you can see something nice instead of the massive packages of clothes to give away, which I had there. There was not garbage, they were clothes and nothing. Thank you for staying tuned. Hope you all are doing fine. I am. Next week I'll get some deserved holidays from the warehouse where I work, so I can be back working at home, preparing some tech, and give it the proper time to this job, which I consider is the job for my future. So sorry for the strange standing format on this video, but hey, today was like this. Thank you for staying tuned. Hope to see you soon. Keep it going, fellas, always.